Hey bag babes, it's your girl Nashay. What's up? What's good? Happy February. I hope that January was good to you, and I hope that February is even better. So today I come to you with a small pink haul. I have a basket here full of some goodies that I'd like to share with you. We're just gonna jump right in and take a look at the items that I was able to pick up. This month I am celebrating and honoring the color pink. I absolutely love the color pink. There's so much strength and so much healing in that color. So not the whole month, I don't think we're gonna do that the entire month, but we certainly will use the beginning half of this month as we move into Valentine's Day and Love Day and all that good stuff. We are going to explore the color pink here on this channel. So if that is your vibe, please stick around. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into this container tote situation. All right, so I have a bag from the local Walmart. Picked up a few things there that I'd like to share with you. I'm just gonna pull out stuff. Okay, so the first thing that pops up for me is this cute little teddy bear right here. She has little pink hearts all over her, and this will be my little home girl as we explore self-love and talk about love this month. So we have this gorgeous little teddy. And I'll stick her right there. I have to give her a name. I don't know what I'm gonna call her yet. The next thing I picked up was these cute little hair clips. Definitely be using these as I'm wearing my natural hair a little bit more these days. Well, I always wear my natural hair, but wearing my natural hair out a little bit more these days. So I think these will come in handy as I style my hair. I also have this lovely ball of yarn. The color is baby pink. And it was just a little budget, this is budget yarn, so it's not the most expensive yarn, but it's good yarn. And I plan on knitting up some beautiful pink hearts. Like I said, I'm focusing on love, mainly self-love. And I'll be knitting up some hearts as I knit up my own heart. So this will be a healing activity for me. So stick around for more information on that. I also did pick up this pink candle right here, and it smells really sweet, so I love that. As you can see, I have some decor set up for my self-love festivities. We just got started and I'm already excited about exploring all the possibilities within loving oneself and reconnecting with oneself and honoring oneself. Let me stick my hand back in this tote. And yeah, so here is a facial cleanser that I've been using. I'm actually using two cleansers now, trying to figure out this skin, but this one I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and this is a daily gel cleanser. I only use her in the morning time, and this is the Yes To Watermelon, and it's good for all skin types. What I like about it, it is a gel cleanser, so I'm enjoying the feel of the gel cleanser. And it actually does smell like watermelon, like real watermelon. It smells like when you first slice open a watermelon and you're cutting it up and you get that fruity smell. It actually does smell like real watermelon. And I like that. I enjoy that in the morning time. So I'll continue to use this in the morning. So far, so good. And I'm liking it. And for $1.25, can't go wrong. I now want to move on to something else. Oh, but before I do, I did pick up this pink flashlight from the Dollar Tree. I'm sure many of you already have this in your purse accessories, but I thought this would be appropriate because I plan on rocking quite a bit of pink and pink purses this month, so I thought this would be appropriate to have in my handbag. Okay, so we're gonna move on to part 2 of this haul. You may have seen that I posted on my community page that I was really interested in a pink tote, the Coach Meadow tote, and it was on there for $149, and then I kept watching it, looking at it, hemming and hawing, going back and forth, and then it shot up to $198, and I was like, no ma'am, no thank you. However, since then, actually yesterday, I saw that it went back to $149. But, you know, as some of us are doing, we are being a little bit more mindful with our dollars and our coins this year, and we're just being a little bit more mindful with our purchases. So I headed on over to Amazon to see if there was something that would soothe that burning desire, something else that I could pick up that was not $149 or $180 something. And I discovered this right here. So we're gonna open it together and see if I actually like it. Now, like I said, since then, I saw that the meadow tote went back down, so you know, I'm all in my head again, like, should I? I'm not sure. I'm not making any moves until I know for sure what I should do, because that's how the hoarding and all of that happens, and it's not good. It's not healthy. So let's see if Amazon hooked your girl up. Okay, so I'm sticking my hand in here. All right, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is the package. As you can see, she's pink, and it looked really nice when I was looking at the listing on Amazon. So hopefully she doesn't disappoint. Okay, so she has her little mesh-like flimsy dust cover, bag dust. What is it? Dust cover? So she has that flimsy little cover there. That'll come into good use. And I guess this is the inner parts, the bottom of the bag. And here is the tote. Now she actually feels really good. Obviously she is not leather. I do like this so far. Of course there's a crease here, but should be able to get that crease out without any problems. I like the drop on the straps. She feels good. She feels buttery in my hand. Let's take a look at the inside. And then it's like almost like a faux suede situation on the inside. I picked her up for $14 and some change. And I don't know what you think, but I think I did pretty good. Now, will she satisfy the hunger for the meadow tote? I'm not sure. I definitely plan on jumping into her this week. I'll use my community page to give you an update on this girl. But so far, so good. And what was nice about it is I liked how it didn't have any hardware right here. And I just love the simplicity of it. I love the size of it. So it's not huge. And then, of course, it's not tiny. So I think I'll be able to get all my things in here with no issues. The name of the bag is, I'll spell it first, M-O-R-E-L-L-E-T, Morelette. And again, found her on Amazon for a really good price. Now it's just a big hole, a big bucket. There's no pockets in there, so I'll have to utilize some pouches and all that good stuff. And then we have a closure, a snap closure on the top. I love the color. The shade is pretty. I guess I can add this inside here to make it a little bit more substantial and sit up a little better. Well, she won't be sitting up, but you know, because she's flimsy, she's floppy, she's all that. But that is the girl. That is the girl. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are on this bag. Looking forward to jumping into her. Okay. So I will put her off to the side. So I was about to toss the package, but I remembered that there was something else that I purchased, and I wanted to make sure that I didn't throw her out. And yes, I feel her in the bottom of this package. So this right here is the Burt's Bees lip balm. It's like a shimmer stick. I saw it advertised on Instagram over the holidays, and it kept popping up on my feed, and I kept going on to Amazon and it kept selling out. So finally I grabbed her. It's supposed to be like a shimmery type pink, and I felt like it would go perfectly with my pink theme. So here we have the Burt's Bees Champagne lip shimmer balm situation with peppermint oil. And she seems to be pretty popular because, like I said, she kept selling out. So I hope it looks really nice on me. But here we have it, and it's a pretty pink package, really like that. And then of course the peppermint oil, I know my lips will thank me for that. And yeah, I'm excited about trying this. So I'll probably, you know, throw on some liner and, you know, slide this on top of my lips and see how it works for me. But yeah, that is Burt's Bees Shimmer Champagne. That's the name of, that's the color. And yeah, I'll keep you posted on this girl as well. So that is that. And I do have one more item that I picked up. And this is another pink item. This is a earbuds, earphone travel case in pink. And I figured, being that I'll be, first of all, I just got some new earbuds. So I got a new earbud situation going on, and I don't want to lose them, which I've already lost them a couple times. But I thought that it would be nice to just have something cute in the bag to hold them and travel with. And so I picked this up, and I like it. I like it. It's nice structure on the package. It has a little hook here that I can attach to this loop and just slip my things in there. Might be able to even get my, maybe a charger cord in there as well, not sure, but that's basically what that is. And so that concludes my small pink haul. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you're inspired as well to get yourself some pink, or pull out your pink and celebrate with me the power of pink, the beauty of pink, the restorative qualities of pink. Truly amazing. And I am looking forward to utilizing that color to lift my spirits and be inspired and lift the spirits of others around me. So you guys, that is it for now. I do want to thank you for stopping by. Thank you for letting me share. And as always, peace and love. I'll talk to you soon.